I ate antipasti twice just because she is so nice. I believe those are the next lines.
Look at you.
Anywho.
What's for dinner?
Noodles.
Thank goodness. Just 2 days ago, Milk Street released its newest cookbook. It is called Noodles, Secrets to the World's Best Noodles, from Fettuccine Alfredo to Pad Thai to Miso Ramen.
Well, I hope Mike's still listening because he said he likes to make that Fettuccine Alfredo on the weekends.
Holy moly.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can go on any longer.
Stop staring at the rigatoni.
Everything I love.
I see you. You're inching ever closer to the rigatoni.
And joining us now is the editorial director of Milk Street, J.M. Hirsch. Welcome.
J.M.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
We've never been so excited in our lives.
We got to start our day with carbs, right?
Amen.
Like ladies, we like
you
to
have my
cite
vote for president.
Okay. Milk Street traveled the world.
Yes.
It turns out there is a noodle in every culture.
It
It's
really
not always
is.
called a noodle, but there is a noodle.
Yeah. And there are so many simple, flavorful ways of making dinner using noodles, and that's what this book is all about.
I love it.
Just bring it all together and get it on the table fast and flavorful.
Now, in only the way that JM can do this, there is a secret, however.
Yes. Well, there are many secrets. We have all sorts of secrets.
Can you share one today?
I will change your red sauce pasta like that.
Please
Hold
do.
on.
Okay.
My Italian
Ancestors
are rolling right now.
Ready?
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Let's go.
When you're boiling your pasta,
Yes.
take it out a few minutes early. Drain it. Don't fully cook it. Then finish cooking it in the sauce. Because don't you want to absorb flavor instead of water?
Yes.
I thought it was going to say put it in a pan.
Oh, you could do that too. But finish cooking it in the sauce. You're going to get so much more flavor. It's easy. It doesn't even change your recipe.
Take it out al dente or just before?
Before al dente.
Before
you know what?
al
We're
dente.
really bad at getting al dente right.
It's very true.
We are.
It's
you
very
know?
true.
We
It's
are.
very true.
No, your
But it's so
weaknesses.
easy, and it's going to make such a difference.
Okay.
Okay, I already,
Story.
just putting this out there, I already smell a New York Times bestseller. All right, but you're going to show us today
Yes.
how to make one of these recipes from the new book.
A no-cook sauce. I mean, does it get
You
easier?
had us.
No.
Yes. Perfect.
You had me at no cook.
Perfect. I didn't know what I was going to make tonight for dinner. Now I know.
There you
Because
go.
when you're busy at home, you want to put food on the table for your family.
Exactly.
I like to make it be something healthy-ish.
Fresh,
Fresh.
fast,
Fresh.
flavorful.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's go. What is this?
All
What
right,
is
so
this called?
Is rigatoni with fresh herbs and capers. I love capers.
I love
So
capers.
briny and
gosh,
yummy.
yep. And pecorino romano. but you
stop
could
it.
use parm if that's your
Okay.
thing.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
No, I like both.
I'm getting hot and bothered.
All right,
I'm
you guys
gonna-
ready
I'm
to
gonna
cook?
switch.
Yes.
All right.
Let's
okay.
do
Let's let the
I-
important person on the side.
I need somebody to chop some herbs for me.
Get to it, lady.
All right. We have
I pointed at you and she says, "Get to it, lady."
we have some basil and some mint. Just chop as much of it as you want.
You know, I'm going to
Okay.
get a little bunch.
Just throw it in there.
JM, what is it about the combination of these two things that is so lovely?
Well, if you're not going to cook your sauce, you need it to pack a lot of flavor because,
Right.
you know, cooking enhances flavor.
Sure.
That's right.
So if we want to make our lives easier, less work,
Yeah.
we want our ingredients to have lots of flavor so that we don't have to do anything to make them taste
that's right.
good.
That's
so that's
right.
why we've got fresh herbs. We're going to throw in some capers, just some olive oil.
And you've drained those capers?
Yep, yep.
Can
But
I
don't throw away that
Oh, no,
that
no, no.
liquid.
I used
coming
the
back.
caper brine the other day on
In a
salmon.
martini?
No, on a salmon situation.
Oh, I bet that's excellent.
And it gave it the salinity I needed.
Yep.
Salinity.
You are, by the way, I'm very proud of you, Alex.
You know, Mr. Juliano told me you use this ends of the knife
yeah.
to chop.
So, and don't just use the, use gravity
you don't have
with
to.
you.
Yeah, you don't have to slam it.
And it also, it dulls your knife.
I'm
when
glad
you
that I'm
slam it.
redeeming
That's
myself.
true. Yeah, don't scrape it across the board, do any
Yeah.
of that. So, talk about high flavor here.
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
that looks
We've
divine.
got capers, olive oil, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes.
That is
Yep.
a
garlic.
That is a lot of flavor.
Yep.
Also, for those of you watching at home, scan the QR code to get this recipe that JM is zhuzhing. Oh, is that some fresh pepper?
That's pepper.
my
And
God.
do you want the real hack here
Yes.
to make your life
I want any
easier?
of those.
Okay.
Hello.
For garlic,
Yes.
don't waste your time doing this.
I do it on the mandolin.
Do it on that.
Go ahead.
Yep.
That's what I do.
And you're also going to get more, we'll call it flavor penetration,
That's right.
because it's all throughout the dish instead of big chunks, you
Yes,
know?
you just have to make sure you
All
don't
right.
get your
What's
nail.
our next step?
All
don't
right,
get your nail in
so I'm going to add chopped
the-
tomatoes
those
to
are
my
fresh. Is
sauce.
Is this enough herbs?
Sure, why
I
not?
mean, you could go more.
Okay, I'll keep going.
Can you
keep
ever
talking.
have enough?
No,
Never.
the limit does not exist.
Are
Here.
those cherry tomatoes, plum tomatoes?
Plum tomatoes, but you make a really good point here, because if we're, we are coming into tomato season,
I
right?
can't
so this
wait.
is great. for that.
Jersey's known for their tomatoes.
Yeah.
But out of season, cherry tomatoes are your choice because
Okay.
they're kind of reliably sweet and
Yes,
tasty.
they
so
do the job, and they're easier to quarter or to have.
yes, exactly.
So you put all that business
That's
together.
it.
You
Okay.
have your cooked pasta.
We got our cooked pasta. So whenever you are happy with the herbs, we can throw them right in there.
Get in there, lady.
Here, I'm happy with the basil.
Perfect.
We're
All
getting
right.
close to the hook.
All right.
We're getting close to getting
Perfect.
wrapped. Oh, that smells
oh my
so
gosh,
I'm so sorry
good.
that the people at home cannot smell this. You're just going to have to go get the book
There we
and make
go.
it yourself.
All right,
because
so
it is
now we
divine.
have
The
a
cooked
pound
pasta.
of rigatoni.
Put it in there.
Put it right in there.
Did you save some pasta water?
Always.
Always. Don't be
Always.
ridiculous,
Don't be
Marysol.
Marysol.
Always
Sorry.
got to save that. That's how you get the sauce to stick.
Yes.
All right.
All comes
Gonna
together.
toss.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. All right. And then
Oh,
finishing flourish.
A little crunchy
Why
garnish.
Yeah,
stuff
because
there.
we want some texture in there, you
Little
know?
almonds. I love it.
Yeah, I love it. Can't have enough.
I will say that to me is the secret because I would never think to put anything other than a pine nut.
Yes,
Right.
a
Yeah.
pignoli,
Yep.
if you will.
Can we taste it?
Of
Let's do
course.
a little
But
taste.
wait.
Hold
Wait,
on.
you're
Oh,
almost
my
forgetting the most
goodness.
important ingredient.
All right, so you shared this
can never
recipe with
have
us.
enough
Is this your favorite recipe? I know it's like asking you to pick a favorite child, but if you had to pick one besides this, what do you love from the book?
Fettuccine Alfredo. I mean, come on.
All right, I'm going to let you in on something. I've never tasted a fettuccine Alfredo that I like.
Well, you know why?
Because you didn't make it for me.
Well, there we go.
All right, we're going to taste this.
We're going to taste.
There we go. No, you know what? It's very different in Italy, actually.
Of course it is.
And
It's better.
The
All right.
recipe that we have in the book, I
Is
went to
far
Italy
superior.
to learn.
Well, there
so
you
there
go.
we go.
Marisol?
Here we go.
While you
grab you a
continue
fork?
plating, JM, so fantastic to have you here.
Thank
You at home,
you.
if you
Thank
would
you.
like a copy of the book, scan that QR code. You can
Thank you,
also
darling.
pick
There
up
you go.
a copy of Milk Street Noodles at your local bookstore or online. Holy moly. Oh my gosh.